Hi guys! So have you ever been green with envy? Or do you have a green thumb? I don't understand. Are you as green as grass? So you didn't understand anything? Okay, so my name is Mark and I'm an English teacher and today I'm going to tell you about 5 hot English idioms with green. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button not to miss my classes.
Mark.
I'm watering my plants. So the first idiom we are going to take today is to have a green thumb. So the definition of this idiom is to be good at gardening or planting plants. You know, I have a green thumb, so my old plants are very clean and beautiful. My neighbor bought a new car, and you know, it's very beautiful, and I can't afford it. So as you see, the second idiom is to be green with envy. So definition of it is to be very jealous, to be very envious, and actually to wish very much that you have what somebody else has. So for example, Jack bought a new house and I'm very green with envy. So the third green idiom is as green as grass. So it has actually two meanings. And the first meaning is to be very green as grass, maybe. And for example, his face turned as green as grass just before he loved it. So the second meaning of as green as grass is to be really inexperienced. So, for example, 10 years ago, I was a newcomer to table tennis and was actually as green as grass.
Stop.
Why? Actually, they gave me the green light. I can go! So as you understand, the fourth idiom is to give the green light. So definition of it is to give permission for something to be done or allow something to happen. So for example, the police officer finally gave the green light to cross the street. And the fifth idiom is the grass is always greener, and it could be added on the other side. So the definition of it is that people are never satisfied with what they have. For example, sometimes I think it would be awesome to live in a small quiet town instead. So the grass is always greener. Okay guys, so before we wrap up, I would like to leave you with the question: which of these idioms did you like most of all? Also, don't forget to click the bell button, to give a like to this video and to subscribe to my channel. Okay, and have the wrap of the green. I mean, good luck!